everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the delivery settings section inside the OrderinWhats admin dashboard. This is where you configure how delivery works for your business. Think of it is as telling the system who can deliver to, what delivery options customer will see, how delivery charges are applied in your system. First, you have to enable the delivery option. First, you have to go to the setting, and then here you can see there is a delivery option. You have to enable this. Once you enable, then you can able to go to this page. They will also be asked to enter their delivery address, and delivery charges will be calculated automatically. So the step 3 is delivery radius and the zone. So here you can see the address. So the delivery zone is you can define the specific areas with the different delivery charges. So here I am going to add my address. Once I click my address, you can able to see here. If you want to adjust your address, so you can able to drag and drop like this. Then another one is the delivery coverage. So there is a delivery radius and a unit. So here this is defined how far your team can deliver your location. So you can change as miles or as kilometer. So here I am going to add as the radius as 20 as per kilometer. Right? Then the delivery pricing. In OrderinWhats, there are two pricing types. Here you can see when you click the drop down button, there is a fixed price and a distance based. The fixed price means delivery charge is the same for all location. So you can add here as $10 for the fixed price. No matter how far the customer within your delivery area, they will be charged as a fixed amount. So here you can simply enter the delivery amount you want to charge. The next option is the distance based. This means the delivery charge is calculated based on the distance. Here you set price per kilometer. So here I'm going to add like $5. So the system will automatically calculate the total delivery fee depending on how far the customer is. This is usual if your delivery cost varies by the distance. Here you can see the additional options. There are also some extra settings available. So delivery taxable option. You can enable if your delivery charges should include the tax or not. Minimum order amount. So when you click the minimum order amount, customers must reach a certain order total for the delivery. So when I click as for $10, here you can able the customer must reach a certain order total to qualify for delivery. Another one is the free delivery option. You can set a specific order amount like $30. If the customer's order is above 30 dollar, that amount delivery becomes free. So here the delivery system, if you apply, you can click the save and apply your delivery setting. Here you can see the delivery settings updated successfully. For the summary, so in the delivering system, you can enable delivery, set delivery radius or zone, fixed price or distance base, configure tax options, set minimum order amount, offer free delivery for large orders. All of this help you manage delivery efficiently and profitability. So that's it for today. If you like this breakdown, tap like and subscribe. Let us know what settings you want to explore next. Thank you.